What's going on YouTube? I'd like to welcome you guys back to the channel. And man, I have a good one for you. But before we get started, if you guys are new to the channel and you want this channel to grow, all you need to do is hit that subscribe button. And if you like the content that I'm putting out, smash that thumbs up. And also if you have any questions or any comments about the video I put out today, drop a comment below. Now, I don't want to talk you guys' ear off because this is some great content. At least I think so. Because this is one of the places I go to a lot, especially when I'm fishing for bluegills. And I was just curious to know what's actually down here. So I got an opportunity to use my GoPro. And man, I'm not going to tell you guys all of it. It was a sight to see. So I hope you guys enjoy this content that I'm putting out today. And I want you guys to stay tuned. Alright folks, this will be my first time using my GoPro underwater, and this is one of the areas that I fish a lot, especially for bluegills, so I'm curious to see what's actually down there underwater. So as you can see here, there's male bluegills defending the nest and fighting off any predators. During this time of the year, these bluegills are spawning and the bite is non-stop. All in all, this is a great place to fish for bluegills. While I was recording, one of the locals was able to catch a nice hand-sized bluegill. So here you should get a better view on how these males are protecting the nest. I'm not sure what this is, but it caught my eye on the camera. So I was able to get a close-up of that object we saw in the water. Drop a comment below if you know what this is. Did you know female bluegills can lay up to 60,000 eggs? Also, bass cannot achieve their true potential size in the absence of bluegills. Bluegills can also spread out their large pectoral fins to stop on a near dime. Most active feeding window would be late afternoon until just before sunset. Bluegills bite year-round. Live bait is king. Worms, crickets, minnows, snails makes the best bait. guys enjoyed the content I was able to put out today. Me personally, I was able to learn a lot about the area that I fish in. I learned about the ground cover, and I also learned about the different depths that these fish like to be in. So it was very educational for me. I hope you guys enjoy. Like I say, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. If you like the content I'm putting out, hit that thumbs up. And also, I don't know if you guys seen in that video when I asked you guys, what is this? Does anybody know? If you do know, drop a comment below. And I'll see you guys on the next one. And always remember, don't talk about it, fish about it. Peace.